What's good? Well, everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another accessory video. I have here the Ringke Silicone MagSafe case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now the Ringke Silicone case, like I said, is compatible with MagSafe, designed only for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is a very lightweight, slim, soft foam cover. Let's talk about the colorways that this particular case comes in. You can get it in lavender. They have a pink sand, stone, and as you can see here, I'm showing the black, the magnetic black off for this particular Ringke case. Real nice, soft interior and a nice soft silicone outer shell. So let's talk about what makes this case, so special. Now, it is, like I said, it's compatible with MagSafe, dust resistant, liquid silicone case. It does have the precise cutouts. It does have the hidden magnetic ring on the inside, and the integrated coil boosts the magnetic power of the magnets that's in the case. Again, it does come above the camera and does offer very nice camera protection. This has a very comfortable feel to it. It doesn't have any specific type of grip being on the side, and there's no type of texture to the power button or the volume rocker. Everything will pretty much have to be figured out as far as just memory from knowing where your volume rocker is and your power button. Again, the cutouts for the S Pen is nice and on point. Shouldn't have no problem getting your S Pen out. Cut out above for the microphone, and it does have nice lip protection, so you can place the camera face down. No problems with the clearance. All right, so let's check out the button pressure. Real quick, the volume rocker. Very tactile and nice clicky pushes with little to no resistance at all. It feels like the case is already broken in. Power button, easy to press, no problems with that. All right, so let's test the magnets and see if it can withstand the shake test. Okay. Does stick, but okay, let's check this out. The ESR seems to do a better job. The wallet case is doing a little bit better. All right, let's check out the Anker MagSafe battery. Let's see if it activates. Yeah, it activates nicely. Okay, check out that. If I had to give the strength of the magnets a rating from 1 to 5, with 5 being the best, I give it a 3 as far as magnetic strength goes. I mean, you can put it on with some confidence. There are certain items that does a better job. The battery did a better job, and the actual wallet did a good job connecting to the phone. But this magnetic kickstand slash charging base kind of had a little bit of an issue connecting. I don't know if, but again, this was like my first time actually connecting that, so I don't know if that has something to do with not having a ring to guide this down on, but it was pretty easy for this to find the magnet, and the wallet was pretty easy to find it to make a connection. So overall, my opinion of this case, it's a really nice, comfortable case to have. I would highly recommend this. It does come in at the low price of $19.99. Now, if you're interested in this case, just check the links down below. I have all that prepared, ready for you if you want to pick one of these up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell for future videos like this. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.